So the first stage in navigation really is to take those immediate insights, some of the examples that we gave in mapping, to actually institute immediate, quick changes, urgent changes. You found that you're heading towards the cliff in terms of your business. You need to turn your steering wheel quickly. So it's no use planning for the longer term. You need to have a quick change of direction because you hadn't spotted until now you were in danger. So with our friend Bill, for example, he immediately changed his whole business model very, very quickly, without following through in details, but he became a service company instead of a product-based company. And what we've attempted to do in the log sheet is to give you a structure that actually gets you to codify the insights. So you need to do something about this particular aspect of your business, but you now need to set it out in terms of what needs to be done. So here, put in the quadrant that we're talking about. So for example, in the one we just talked about. So in Bill's case, what we're going to do is to try to illustrate what we mean by a change log, those immediate, quick, sharp changes, based on the insight that he gained with the help of the mapping process. And in Bill's case, the change is to do with our, this is quadrant, so it's the vehicle quadrant. The element is going to be the element of product, and the current heading of Bill's product is that it was basically to deliver that product as a piece of equipment. The change heading is that we're now solving the problems of the marketplace by providing a solution through franchisees, so that's the immediate change. The date that change was identified, so the date that it was logged, and that becomes important later on when we're measuring in deliverables and performance. What the predicted milestones of this particular change heading is about. So here, obviously it's not going to happen with Bill overnight just because he thinks about it. So Bill needs to identify now that this change heading will have a number of milestones to achieve so that it makes that shift. And then the dates, the target dates for achieving those milestones. This is a structure for translating the insight, in other words, that light bulb or now I get it moment, translating it into activity and comparing it from where it is now, where it's now headed, what's the change heading, and what I need to do and when I need to do it by to achieve that change. So that's what a change log is all about, quick changes.